Have you wondered why some companies with huge sales teams still fails to grow faster?
And why in pharma, even after hundreds of medical reps visiting doctors, prescriptions don't always increase? That's where Salesforce effectiveness becomes a game changer.
Let's start with what Salesforce effectiveness actually means. It basically means how organizations squeeze the maximum revenue impact from their sales force. Every reputation, every visit, and every rupee invested. Companies do this by following a structured framework with 6 core pillars. Let's first Salesforce strategy, like who are we selling to?
Second, Salesforce structure. This decides how the team is deployed by geography, by specialty, by key accounts, or hybrid. A strong structure ensures the right coverage and avoids overlapping efforts. Third, talent and capability development. Even the best strategy fails without skilled people. Training, coaching, and capability building are critical, especially in pharma where scientific knowledge matters.
Processes and tools. So this includes the CRM systems, digital engagement tools, and automated call planning. Basically everything a representative needs, to work smarter, not harder.
Fifth, incentives and performance management. Incentives shape behavior. A well designed scorecard motivates reps to focus on both quality and quantity of interactions.
Last but not the least, customer engagement excellence. This is the heart of the pharma. Doctors value personalized, relevant, and compliant conversations. So, customer centricity becomes the biggest differentiation here.
Now let's shift to a real world application. How Accenture transforms pharma sales globally. Pharma companies face three common challenges: reduced doctor access, rising preference for digital communication, and the third, stagnant sales productivity.
Omnichannel commercial model. Accenture blends physical and digital channels. In person visits, digital reps, automated email journeys, webinars, WhatsApp engagement, everything integrated. This lets doctors choose how they want to engage.
Accenture provides reps with AI tools that show high potential doctors, next best action suggestions, personalized messages based on prescription patterns, and every visit becomes purpose driven instead of random.
Territory and call planning optimization. Using analytics, territories are redesigned for efficiency. Reps spend more time with high value doctors and less time traveling.
Managers can now track KPIs in real time, compare rep performance, and coach with data instead of guesswork.
Hybrid selling upskilling. Accenture trains reps to be effective in both physical and digital environments, running virtual calls using digital aids and navigating compliance.
So, what difference does all this make? In one global pharma company, Accenture's optimization led to 20% increase in rep productivity, 15% improvement in call quality, better doctor satisfaction, significant increase in priority brand sales. Basically, the sales force evolved from just product promoters to trusted advisors for doctors. That's the Salesforce effectiveness framework. And how does Accenture use it to transform pharma sales forces? Better strategy, better tools, better customer engagement. That's how you create a truly effective sales force. Thank you.
And that is how we achieve true growth.
leading to better CX and ultimately better outcomes for everyone involved.
Thank you.